Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about making chromic acids. So how to make chromic acid and what is the utilization of chromic acid. So let us start learning of making of chromic acid solutions. So take 20 milligram potassium dichromate. You can see this is potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. You need a small amount of distilled water. First you transfer this solid in this beaker and then add little bit water and make the paste of potassium dichromate. How you mixed? Now make the paste with the help of glass rod. Then you have to add 300 milliliter of sulfuric acid. After adding, you can see here dark solution, and this dark solution is known as chromic acid. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.